Hello my dear fellow foodies, this is Colin and welcome to my channel Culinary Delights. Today I'm going to introduce you to my family's iconic Christmas salad and show you how to make this simply delicious and fresh salad that will complete your Christmas dinner meal. Here's a fun fact. This Christmas salad has been part of every Christmas dinner our family has had for over 75 years. My mother Sylvia would only make it during the festive season, as did her mother, ensuring there was always enough to feed an army on Christmas Day as well as New Year's lunch. This recipe will guarantee that you will make a huge impression at your family's Christmas dinner. Alright then, first things first, make sure all the produce is fresh, as we don't want any of that store-bought canned stuff. We're bringing some healthy eating into our calorie-loaded Christmas meal. We've got cucumbers, about 6 to 8 radishes for that little bit of a bite, 2 to 3 stalks of whole spring onions, also known as scallions, 1 large ripe pineapple, 4 to 5 tomatoes, salad dressing or mayo. If you're using mayo, I would recommend using Miracle Whip, salt and pepper to taste. This salad really doesn't have exact measurements, so you would not be making any mistakes. It's all about the combination of flavors. It's like having all your family together, including those strange ones who add that little bit of extra character to the party. As with all fresh vegetables, it's important to give everything a good rinsing, as we don't want any unwelcome guests who will add unnecessary protein to this awesome work of culinary excellence. Let's cut and dice the cucumbers and place the pieces into a large bowl. Now dice the entire stalks of green onions and introduce them to the cucumbers. They're going to become great friends, trust me. Go ahead and dice the tomatoes and place it in the bowl as well. It's starting to look a lot like Christmas with the green and red colors. Now we're going to dice up the radishes, skin and all. Give it a little bit of a mix. Okay, now it's time to cut up the pineapple. This is going to give the salad a lovely sweetness. We're almost done. Now let's add a generous amount of salad dressing or mayonnaise and also add some salt and pepper as needed. After you've mixed it, refrigerate it. Now don't be concerned about the salad developing those juices, as we'd normally just pour some of those wonderful juices over the Christmas stuffing or the dressing. The salad now looks like a Christmas tree in a bowl. What do you think? So now it's that time I've been waiting for, the taste test. This is just simply too delicious and it tastes just like Mom's. I could break out singing "Joy to the World." Now that's lekker. Wishing you and your family a Merry Christmas, and always remember that Jesus is the reason for the season. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Merry Christmas.